Hi students, let's look at this question here, which was taken from the year 2016 AJC promo question 3. This is quite a notorious question, quite notoriously asked by students, but we're just going to see how we can solve this properly. So by considering integration by parts or otherwise is by using a substitution. You could actually use, I think, x equals to 2 sine x. You can use the trigo substitution. I'm not going to show you how you're going to use substitution for otherwise, but I'm just going to stick with by parts. Okay. So how do we integrate this? This is my that's where it is. So this is y 4 minus x squared. Great, man. Okay, I think by parts is not hard for this, because it's such a dead giveaway that you should just include the 1 there, right? And the reason being is because for by parts you need to pick the u, which is the one that you cannot integrate, which is this one. Obviously this will be the one that you can't integrate, right, for your u. So this is your u. So this is 4 minus x squared. This is half. So du dx half 4 minus x squared, and this is minus half, and this is minus 2x. Ta-da! We're gonna get minus x over 4 minus x squared. Okay. Then we were gonna get dv dx as 1, and I know my v is equals to x. Perfect. So by parts, the first stage, uv, which is x, 4 minus x squared minus x v du dx, which is actually minus x over 4 minus x squared dx. So this part here, if I were to do this properly, I will get x minus x squared plus x squared over 4 minus x squared dx. Okay, people? Question, please. Okay, then the next part is how do I continue with this equation here. So if you refer to my integration notes, you will realize that this is what we call the split up method. Okay, so you have to know how to split it up. How to split it up is you look at you need a 4 minus x square, so that you could just do a long division and split this up. Okay, the easiest way is to just take the minus in and out like that first. So I'm just going to put minus here. I'm going to plus a 4 minus a 4. Okay, just stay with me. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to split this up as such. So this is 4 minus x squared minus 4 minus x squared over 4 minus x squared. Okay, maybe I shouldn't skip this step. It may be a bit confusing for some. So I just slowly group it up with 4 minus x squared minus 4. Okay, this is how you do it. Split it up. You split it up. This will be 4 minus x squared over 4 minus x squared minus 4 over 4 minus x squared. Okay, so this is not an issue. This over here on the right, on the left, just rewrite it again. You will be able to see it's as such: x over 4 minus x squared minus 4 minus x squared dx plus 4 1 over square root 2 square minus x squared dx. Okay, so there you go. This one, if you don't know what to do, I don't know what to say. MF26, sine inverse. So you see this is sine inverse here, right? So sine inverse, just check my method. This over here, you realize that because what you started off with 4 minus x squared dx. Okay, like that. So you start out with this and you ended with the same expression here. So you just gonna use bring over. If you continue integrating this, you get the same thing all over again. So it's infinite outcome. Okay. Once done, Once done, right, what we need to do is to just this is the MF26. This one you should know is MF26. It shouldn't be like, oh, you do not know what to do with this. This is MF26 straight up. The bet it should just be MF26. Okay, you shouldn't like just, oh, I'm not sure what to do from here. So I'm gonna use MF26 here. This is what? Where are we at? Here, sine inverse x over a. So I'm just going to use sine inverse x over a. Okay, so this part here, I'll rewrite again. So I know that integrating 4 minus x squared, I'm doing slowly, is equals to x. 4 minus x squared minus, you get back yourself, and this would be plus 4. Oh my goodness, I don't even know whether this will work out well for us. So this will be sine inverse x over 2 plus c lah. Oh yeah, it works well. So this one here, because you see, this will get this, right? So you know that actually 2 of 4 minus x squared dx would be x 4 minus x squared plus 4 sine inverse. Maybe I shouldn't add the c first. The c I add behind. I lazy to change it later. Okay, so this one here. Then you may have 4 minus x squared dx equals to half x 4 minus x squared plus 2 sine inverse x over 2 plus c. There you go. Is that the answer? It is the answer. Thank you very much. I like to do integration questions. It's fun. Okay, so it's not that easy, but keep practicing. Keep practicing. Okay, when come time revision, we'll do more of the integration questions. This is fun. Okay, so once you've done that already, you have to do the what's next. The diagram shows C with the curve of y4 square. Region C is enclosed y square rotated. So this part here, you rotate about 360. You can visualize, right? This would be like a American football, like rugby ball, right? So you're asked to show that exact value of the solid form. Oh, that's pretty okay, I think. So what is required is actually you just find what is this 2 here. So when y is 0, you need to find that port net. So I shouldn't do it on the same page, so I will just bring this out. Hold on first. Okay, once we get that ready, so this is pretty okay. First, you need to find what is this expression here. So when y is 0, you know that actually 0 equals to 4 minus x squared. So x is equals to 2 or minus 2 is not an issue here. Okay, so what we need is actually this graph here and rotate about the x-axis. What's the x-axis? Okay, so yeah, what we need is required volume pi x, oh crap, pi y squared dx from -2 to 2 lah. That's what you need. So this pi is y square square root 4 minus x square plus minus, because you're taking the positive region, this will be y equals to 4 minus x square, the positive one, whereas the bottom one will be y equals to minus 4 minus x square. Okay, you need to know a distinction between the plus and the minus. So that's the reason why you take the positive one, because if you do not understand this, there are some calculus question which require you to know this. Okay, so anyway, this will be pi minus 2 and y square will be 4 minus x square dx. That's about it. Okay. Is it? Nah, I don't think it's that difficult for this one. So what you're gonna do is just copy whole. So actually part 1, if you can't do, you can just do part 2. Alright? You don't waste time in doing part 1 if you are stuck. And don't cancel your part 1 question answer. Whatever you have done, just leave it first. Like, because sometimes you cancel, it may contain marks which you don't even know whether you get it right. So this 2 sine inverse x over 2, so plus 2 sine 1 2. Okay, so this is my definite integral. So I'm just going to key in pi. That will be 0. Easy. The sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 is pi. Sine inverse 1. Come on, team. Shucks. Sorry, my brain. Pi over sine pi. It's pi, right? Pi over 2. What that rubbish. Pi over 2 minus of 0. Oh, that's quite fun. Sine inverse negative 1. Negative 90. 1 will be negative 90. Oh my goodness. Sine inverse. Okay, so it will be plus 2 negative pi over 2. Okay. So this will be pi plus pi square. Yeah, 2 pi square. Okay, that's how we do it. Question please ask. We'll just talk about it. Okay, any question or comments, please let me know. Text me, get hold of me. Yeah. See you in the next video.